Right, well, we've just had an open meeting of the PPR plenary panel, and it is an opportunity for people from various areas to see how EFSA's Plant Protection Product Panel goes about its work. And we had 18 observers present at this meeting, representing industry, NGO, non-governmental organisations, various regulatory authorities, and the tone of the meeting was extremely friendly, and I think the observers were pleased to see how the meeting was conducted and went away with much more understanding of the business that we do. One of the high spots of this panel meeting was the adoption of a guidance document which sets out the ways in which we can handle the assessment of the risk presented by things called pesticides, residues. When a toxin is ingested into the body, it's broken down into a number of different compounds, some of which themselves are toxic, and these metabolites have to be included in a proper full risk assessment. So it's complicated, but the way in which this has been handled has now been made much more scientific and much more organised so that people can cope with these issues. Prior to its going out to a public consultation, the panel discussed a draft of an opinion which is considering the ways in which the use of epidemiological information about possible links of pesticides with childhood leukemia and with Parkinson's disease might be made more convincing. And the route taken and described in this opinion is through looking at something called adverse outcome pathways. And these give a biologically credible explanation of how such a compound might actually result in the detrimental biological changes which are the disease as it's presented.